If you have hooded eyes and you apply your eyeliner and it looks like this, then you're definitely doing it wrong. So in this video, I'm gonna go step by step on how to apply the perfect winged eyeliner for your hooded eyes. So the first thing is figuring out which type of eyeliner product you're going to use. So there's so many different eyeliners. The two that I would recommend if you have hooded eyes is number one, a felt tip eyeliner pen. So this one is by Hard Candy. I like this. It's a waterproof eyeliner pen, but it's really pigmented and easy to apply for hooded eyes. If you're starting out, I would recommend a felt tip pen because it's very easy to slide. It glides easily on your skin, and it also provides stability on your hands when you're applying it. But if you're somebody who finds felt tip eyeliner pens to be quite difficult, another way you can apply eyeliner is by using a gel eyeliner and an angle brush. These are also perfect for hooded eyes because angle brushes really help you structure your eyeliner in a better way. So I would recommend a highly pigmented eyeliner. This one is by Il Makiage. It's the Blackout Gel Liner, and I like to use an angle brush such as this one. This is the Sigma E06 brush, so it's an angled winged eyeliner brush. So if you're going to use the gel with the brush, you want to make sure that the brush is very, very small because this will allow you to be more precise, especially if you have hooded eyes because your eyelids are smaller and you want something that's small that is going to fit with your eyelids. In order to avoid smudging of eyeliner, especially if you have hooded eyes, you want to look straight ahead. Do not look downwards because if you look downwards, then you draw out the eyeliner and you look up, the folds on your eyes are going to fold back, touching the eyeliner and causing it to smudge. So always look straight ahead, never look down. So the first type of eyeliner is called a bat wing liner. So it's the most popular among hooded eyes, and I feel like it's the easiest to create. So with a bat wing eyeliner, it's going to be an angled eyeliner that when you look down, it kind of has like a bat wing, but when you look straight, it looks like a proper straight liner. So I'm going to use a gel liner and the angle brush to apply this. I'm going to show you how to use that on this eye, and then this eye I'm going to use the felt tip eyeliner. So you want to pick up the product with the brush to make sure the brush does not carry excess product that will smudge on your eyes. So picking up that product, you want to start from your upper eyelids and not on your bottom lids, and you want to start right where it ends and drag it outwards. So depending on how big, how thick you want your liner to be, you can drag it out more. If you want it to be smaller and shorter, you can just kind of like drag it out less. So next you want to connect the eyeliner to where your crease ends. So my crease ends right here, so I'm going to connect that eyeliner towards my crease and right where it ends. You don't want to pass it, so it should look something like this. Make sure not to pass your crease. The crease is what tends to make the eyeliner smudge. So once you do that, you want to look down. So you're looking down because you're gonna draw an angled wing that's going downwards. So starting from where you stopped, where the crease ends, you want to draw the liner going down. And if you have creases around that area, you want to make sure to avoid any form of creasing, and this will prevent your eyeliner from smudging, moving around, and getting inside your crease. The next what you want to do is fill it in. So fill in this part right here. The next what you want to do is take a little bit of product and fill in the lash line. This is going to help close in your upper eyelids, but you want to go as thin as possible just so that the eyeliner is not taking much of your eyelid space, especially if you're going to apply eyeshadow. You don't want the eyeliner taking up much of your eyelids. And this is what you call a bat wing eyeliner because when you look downwards, you can kind of see that it has a bat wing and it's not a straight line because of those creases on your eyes. But if you're somebody who likes to use felt tip eyeliners, then these work great as well. So with this, you want to basically do the same thing. Start from the outer part of your top lash line and just draw out your wing. And also depending on how long you want it, you can extend it more. I typically like a medium-sized wing eyeliner, so I like to stop right here. Then you want to connect it to your crease, right where your crease stops as well. So I like to start from where my crease stops and just connect it to the wing, creating something that looks like this. then you want to look down the same way we did it and just draw a diagonal line going downwards, and you should get something that looks like this. Then you want to go in and fill in your eyeliner, making sure to avoid any form of creasing. So you want to pay attention to where your creasing is, because if you apply eyeliner inside the crease, trust me, you will get smudging and it's not going to look straight. So you should get something that looks like this. Then you want to go in and fill in the inner part of your lash line. I like to use a felt tip eyeliner pen for this because it's very skinny, so it's going to allow you to be very precise. And I also like a felt tip eyeliner pen because it gives you more control, because it's not a brush. A brush tends to be a little bit wobbly, and a felt tip eyeliner pen is more sturdy. And once you do that, you should get something that looks like this. Like I mentioned, I would recommend a felt tip eyeliner pen if you're somebody who's struggling with using gel liners and other types of eyeliners and you've never tried felt tip eyeliner pens. So a different style of eyeliner that you can apply other than a thick wing eyeliner is a thin wing eyeliner. So this one is more simple, so it's perfect if you have even smaller eyelids and you just don't want to deal with the creasings. And it's also great if you're not somebody who likes the bat look. So with this type of eyeliner, you want to use a brush that looks like this, so a very skinny pencil brush. So you want to take the pen, and with this, I like to start right in the middle of where my bottom lash line and my top lash line starts. So right at the center, which is right here, creating a wing. Like I mentioned, depending on how long and how thick you want it, you can extend it even more, but I like to keep mine around this size. The next, you want to go in and draw out the wing, but one thing you want to do is avoid the creasing. Don't even place any eyeliner where your creasing ends. You just want to completely avoid the creasing by not touching it. So kind of going under the creasing, just like that. You can see my creasing ends right here, and I just went slightly underneath that. Then you just want to straighten out that wing and make it a little bit sharp. Then you want to go in and fill in your eyeliner the same way we did with the other bat wing eyeliner. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with this type of eyeliner because you're completely avoiding your crease. Therefore, there will be no smudging inside your crease line. It's going to be perfect all the time because you're avoiding those folds on your hooded eyes. So you want to go in and fill in your top lash line exactly how we filled it in with the bat wing. So you always want to create a very thin line on your lash line. And then once you do that, I like to extend this part of the inner corner of my eyes. Doing this creates that perfect cat eyeliner that is perfect for smaller eyelids and hooded eyes. But if you're somebody who struggles with eyeshadow for hooded eyes, then definitely watch this video right here. In this video, I go step by step on the best 10 tips for hooded eyes.